Welcome, everyone. Today we will discuss two of the biggest films of the year that premiered at Cannes. First, Megalopolis by the legend Francis Coppola, and next the film Bird by the master of short film Andrea Arnold. I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse. Well, I think this iconic dialogue from one of my favorite films, The Godfather, perfectly conveys Coppola films about Megalopolis. It was reported that this passion project took around 40 years to make it be ideas, direction, or something else. Every time Coppola will feel like his great project wasn't ready, but finally, it was by 2024. But since its Cannes premiere, the audience and critics have asked just one question: did the film live up the expectations? Well, sorry to say, but this is not a new phenomenon in the world of cinema and its great directors. Usually we expect so much from a long-awaited comeback of the director that we put too much expectations on the film. Sometimes it achieves, yet most of the time it falls short of it. We observed a similar case with the recent premiere of O Canada by director Paul Schrader, as it received a lukewarm response on its premiere at Cannes this year. So, does the film the directors didn't do well at Cannes, or the film weren't made well? Absolutely not. We need to understand that a film can be great with its simplicity and a novel idea. It doesn't need to blow our minds to be filled with twists and turns to deserve that hype. In my opinion, Megalopolis, as a brilliant science fiction film, does well. It's a film that grows on you as watch it multiple times. Actors Adam Driver and John Voight have done a great job in this film. And as an Easter egg for you, if you look closely enough, you can observe that the film has cues of the fall of the Roman Empire. Interesting, right? Well, you can understand through the case of Megalopolis at Cannes why some directors prefer slow marketing. Haven't heard of it? Let me explain. A slow marketing of a film is like a low-key marketing strategy. Here, you don't hype up the film to keep an air of mystery around it. This can be the best understood through the film Bear. Its premiere at Cannes received very enthusiastic reviews. As I said, it gave an element of surprise to the audience. No one expected it to be this good. Many even commented that if their favorite film among the screenings at the Cannes 2024. So what makes it so good that it competes with Coppola's film? To answer that, Beard is directed by an amazing female director, Andrea Arnold, who also won an Oscar for her short film Wasp in 2005. Her films are surreal and slowly dramatic, which immerse you deeply in her creations. Actor Barry Keoghan acted amazingly in the film Beard. It's a sentimental story of a 12-year-old girl connection with a bear. Interestingly, it also touches upon the new genre of magical realism. With so many elements, I think it's safe to say the simplicity of this film Bird won over the competition at Cannes. We're so excited to know the winners of Palme d'Or, Grand Prix, and uncertain regard at Cannes this year. But let me remind you, it's not just a competition but a festival of cinema, where all films are appreciated. So with that note, I promise to bring more interesting discussions for you next time. Thank you.